Welcome back, family. I'm going to talk about the word Mexico. What does it mean? Do you know that the word Mexico doesn't exist? It's actually pronounced Mexico or Mexiko, which is the correct way of saying Mexico. That being said, let's break down the term that you know as Mexico. Mexico or Mexico, as you know it, right? You've been trained, you've been miseducated, but that's a whole different story. Me to be moon, she is navel, go place. So the actual translation of the word Mexico or Mexico is going to be in the navel of the moon. In Spanish is going to be en el ombligo de la luna. Me de mesli, she de ombligo, y go lugar. That being said, now that you know, you could practice or just get down the term and teach those who don't know. Now that you know. That being said, thank you again, family, and see you next time.